Today I am going to make a probiotic dosa in my royal kitchen. Before going to proceed, I want to make a request. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications of my coming recipes. I am profusely thankful to all my viewers for your constant support and encouragement. I need your constant support to the promotion of my channel. See, these probiotic dosas are very crispy and we can get more health benefits by eating them. Eating probiotic foods keeps our gut bacteria healthy and our digestive system, heart and brain, and maintain our glucose levels. And eat these type of probiotic foods and keep your health in a perfect condition. Let's get started. To make probiotic dosa, take any rice of your choice. Here I am taking 1 cup of rice, 1/4 cup of black gram, 1/4 cup of rice flakes, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Wash all of them to remove the impurities and chemicals in them. Totally I have taken 1½ cup of ingredients, that is 1 cup of rice, 1/4 cup of rice flakes and 1/4 cup of black gram. So we have to add 1½ cup of curd to this. Mix all of them well and soak for overnight. Curd is a good source of probiotic bacteria. That's why I have soaked the ingredients in the curd. Now let us check our rice. See, they are fermented very well because we have added curd to it. Adding curd to our rice is because to produce probiotic bacteria in them. Probiotics are usually bacteria such as lactobacilli and bifidobacteria. Our intestines contain more bacteria. For example, gut bacteria controls how much energy you digest from certain foods. Therefore, they play an important role in our weight gain or weight loss. Let us transfer all the rice and curd into a mixer grinder and grind them into a smooth paste. Don't add any water to this while grinding. Now let us transfer the grounded batter into a bowl. See the consistency of the batter. Now let us add 1/4 cup of water to the mixer grinder and rinse it well. Add this rinsed water to the dosa batter. Mix it into a homogeneous batter. To this batter add 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Our curd naturally contains probiotic bacteria because it is already fermented. I have taken a sowed curd. Probiotic bacteria are live microorganisms that can be consumed through fermented foods or supplements. These affect our blood sugar, brain health, heart health by reducing cholesterol levels. The balance or imbalance of bacteria in your digestive system is linked to overall health and disease. Probiotics help balance the friendly bacteria in our digestive system. Probiotics can reduce the risk and severity of diarrhea from a number of different cases. Now let us make a chutney. To make chutney, I have taken 1/2 cup of puffed chickpeas, 1/2 cup of freshly grated coconut, 5 broken green chilies, 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Now grind all of them. I have grounded all of them without water. Now to this add 1/2 cup of water and again we have to grind them by adding the coriander leaves. I have transferred the chutney into a bowl. Now let us give tadka to our chutney. For that I have taken 2 teaspoons of oil in a tadka pan. To this add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let them pop up. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. To this add 1 broken red chilli. Now stop the flame of the gas. Add the coloring leaves of 1 spring. Now add this tadka to our chutney. Mix everything well. Now our chutney is ready to eat it along with dosas, idlis or anything. I have kept the pan for heating to pour dosas. To this add half a teaspoon of oil. Now spread the oil all over the dosa pan like this. To this sprinkle some water and again wipe out the entire water from the pan to reduce the heat of the pan. Now we have to mix the dosa batter. I have not added any soda to it, baking soda or baking powder. Take 1 ladle of dosa batter and spread it all over the dosa pan like this. This is proved to be a very good probiotic dosa. Now pour some oil on the top of the dosa. When the surface of the dosa is dried up, spread it with the help of a brush like this. We have to bake the dosa by turning the sides of the dosa pan like this. Probiotic supplements improve some mental health conditions such as depression, anxiety, stress and memory. Certain probiotic strains can help keep your heart healthy by reducing bad LDL cholesterol levels and modestly lowering blood pressure. Probiotics may reduce the risk and severity of certain allergies such as eczema in infants. Probiotics can help reduce symptoms of certain digestive disorders such as ulcerative colitis, irritable bowel syndrome and necrotizing enterocolitis. Probiotics may help boost your immune system and protect against infections and inhibit the growth of harmful gut bacteria. Now our dosa is baked very well. Now transfer the dosa into a serving plate. See, it is very crispy all over the sides. Make these type of probiotic food supplements to get the probiotic bacteria and keep your health in a very good condition. Now again we have to spread the oil, sprinkle water and wipe the water. Pour 1 more ladle of batter and spread it. Every time we have to repeat the same process to get a very crispy and colorful dosa. Probiotics may help you lose weight and belly fat. We can get live probiotic bacteria from fermented dairy products such as yogurts and milk drinks. Fermented foods like pickled vegetables, tempeh, miso, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut and soya products may also contain some lactic acid bacteria. So keep eating these type of fermented milk products and fermented vegetable pickles to keep your health in a perfect condition. Like this, make all the dosas. Now our yummy, delicious, eye-catching probiotic dosas are ready to eat and serve. Eat them hot. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you are really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be back to you with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Thank you.